Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing great. I hope everyone got some rest before the new year. So, a lot of people, when they go to the YieldMax website, I think most people instinctively go to like the trade section, which a lot of folks like myself that like to geek out on some of the option stuff. That's where we like to spend some of their time. Um, but there's also like the overlooked part of like the website, and I think there's also people that are still they might be overpaying for YieldMax ETFs, and I want to kind of show you guys like where to look for if you're trying to look for bargains. So if you look in the website, like near kind of like the top for like each of the funds, you'll see like this section kind of like that looks something like this. Well, they'll show like some of the you know, kind of like the start dates and like the ticker symbols and whatnot. The net assets are also, I guess, is kind of potentially a good indicator because I guess like the more assets under management, the more liquid it should be. But I also want to highlight also like this part over here, the premium discount percentage. So this one for Tesla, it's not um, I mean, it's trading for a slight premium, so it's not that big of a issue. But I want you guys to start looking for um, like anything that's at a discount, because I think that just from like a because there's so much I guess like so many new people coming into the space that it's really hard to get a sense of like what's like a good bargain. So any little edge that we can get, especially as like more and more people enter the space, the more important it's going to be like going forward. One example of this is AMDY. So right now, at the time of this recording, um, AMDY is trading for like a small discount to like its net assets. So this is like what I think most people should be looking for in terms of I guess like if you're shopping around for like a good deal, such as myself. But the thing is, you have to keep in mind that the like every day it's gonna change, so it's gonna be kind of like a pain in the butt in the beginning. Um, but I guess like once you get used to the process, uh, it'll become easier, especially when there's gonna be more YieldMax ETFs coming out. So I hope maybe in the future they'll publish like maybe like all-in-one like a summary page somewhere. But I guess in the meantime, we'll just have to deal with this and kind of look through it like one by one. So what I'm showing you is kind of like in the order of like the discounts, the most expensive, just to give you guys a sense of like how the yield max funds are playing out right now. The AIYY one is trading also for a small discount. Moderna is also the Moderna one is also trading at a small discount. JPMO. Could be interesting because right now there's no it's trading at almost exactly fair value. But JPMO can be something interesting to look for. I guess if there's another like some like a banking crisis similar to like the beginning of 2023 with like SVB, this could be like a potentially interesting play. Because if you notice, like it's like almost like back to like its original like trading price of $20. And this is where it starts getting kind of bad. Although, like for example, like AMZY, it's not too bad. Like it's only trading to like a small premium, and then the premiums keep getting like worse and worse as we go up. So like Nvidia is not too bad. Disney is not too bad. Um, Oops, I think I have that twice. Sorry about that. Oh, actually no, I don't. It's Disney and then Shomo, the Exxon Mobil one. So this is trading for a small discount. So potentially in the future, I guess like when either there's like either big rallies or big drops, there could be some potential trading opportunities here. For example, if you buy it at like a big discount, later on when it trades back to like fair value, like or maybe even like a small premium, then you can also like just like get rid of it. But the only bad thing is like if you incur like short-term like capital gains tax, it's like tax almost like your regular net income. So that's probably the only disadvantage of doing this. But I guess like most of us, especially my dear subscribers, chances are you're probably really interested in the YieldMax and Defiance ETFs anyway. And this might be like another way to kind of get some additional edge. Like since most of us are looking at this stuff anyway, we might as well try to get the most out of it. So the Google ones, slight premium. The Apple one is a slight premium. Microsoft is a slight premium. PayPal, Meta, the ARK funds. Although I'm kind of surprised like it's this high for ARK. I didn't think that many people would be that interested in it. And this is probably one of my greatest regrets. I remember when Coney was trading both a discount to NAV and then also at like I think I picked some up like when it was like $18 or so, and then now look at the NAV and now it's trading at like a premium. So if I could go back in time, I would have bought like more shares and then like you know. But anyway, there's nothing you can do. But it's good for to be aware of in the future because like the there's really very little edge in general in trading. But this is probably like one of the closest things that you can get to like an easier edge for like the little guys. Um, and then Square, I'm surprised was kind of like the worst. I didn't. I thought it would be Coney, but I guess like Square is also like a pretty starting to get pretty popular now too. So of course it's trading at a premium to its net assets. So I'm gonna just like hold back and then just wait for potential opportunities to to arise. So I think the pros would be that this might also help in like when we're doing because I'm also looking into like if there's like a way to rotate in and out of like YieldMax and Defiance funds. Maybe not every month, but I guess like maybe I guess whenever like the opportunities present themselves, it might be just like another additional edge that we can take advantage of. Of course, the risks are that there's no guarantee of like a good discount, and then this is a time-consuming process. Uh, and then applied volatility across the board, just in general, could collapse so that overall there's like less premium collected. And then I worry that in the future this might be cause a lot of like analysis. What is it? Paralysis by over analysis. Because going through each of these, especially even like with the uh, with the funds we have now, it's kind of a chore. But then also like when we get in the future more ETFs, this could be real like a real drag. So I'm hoping maybe like in the future they'll publish like maybe some type of like chart or something. But I guess it's not the end of the world, but it's just it just takes some time and effort. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So if you like this type of content, please consider giving this a like. Um, and of course, I always appreciate all my subscribers, new and old. So thank you very much for watching. Good luck trading in the new year, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.